Hello and welcome to my second free WordPress blog tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to go through all the settings, delete all the sample content, so you can get started creating your own stuff. All right, so when you log into your site, you're going to have to click on My Site, and it'll take you to this page here. And then I forgot something really quick. When you set up your site, in order to really do much of anything, you need to confirm your email address. So just go into your email, there's a big button that says confirm, then you just click it and you'll be all good. So I already did that. Now I'm in the website here and I'm going, this is like the back end step. This is all the stats. So it'll tell you how many views, visitors, likes, comments that you got, and you can pick whatever you want up here. And then there are a lot of stats that will be available once you actually start doing things. All right, so let's go to site pages here first. I already deleted mine, so you would just click delete, click on the little buttons, click delete. It's the same way I'm going to delete this sample post here. Click trash, and then it'll be gone. Which is what we want, because we don't have any pages or blog posts. We want to make our own, so just trash those. All right, you can leave the media, it doesn't matter. All right, then I'm going to click on settings down here. It's on the very bottom. And look here, you can create a title and a tagline. All right, so the tagline's kind of like a little blurb about what your site is about. So my site's about my cat, so I'm going to go life of my cat. Awesome. And then here you can click a site, you can make a site icon, and what that is up here you can see this little WordPress symbol here. That's a site icon. So I might want a picture of my cat. So I'm actually going to select one from, and I'm going to click on add new. Okay, so I've uploaded my picture and then I selected it, and then I'm going to continue. It's going to ask me to crop it. So just make it however you want. That's my kitty. Yes, that's when she was a baby. Okay, done. There you go. And now my site icon will be that little cat. Cool. So then pick a time zone. This is really important. The first time that I made a blog, it was in some other time zone and it was kind of weird and I didn't really like that. So I believe that I am in this time zone. So, okay. So, and privacy. So this is really important. So you can either have your blog public, so it can be indexed by search engines, which means if for some reason somebody was searching for something really specific that was on your website or your blog, your .wordpress.com blog, people could find it. Anyone can find it. It might not be super easy to find, but people would still be able to find it. You can make it hidden, which is your site is, people can find it, but search engines will not index your site, which makes it a lot harder for users to find your website. Or you can make it private, which means your site is only visible to those that you give approval to look at. I'm going to pick private for this specific website. Yep, and these are all the different things. If you ever wanted to delete your site permanently, you could do that. Oh, honestly, we could have just done this here. So you can delete your content all in one step right here if you ever wanted to do that. Cancel. So, save settings. Cool. Now I'm going to go to writing. This is good. We like this. This isn't really yep. You can click here on how you want your blog posts to look. So maybe I want them to look like this or this. How do you want the date to look? I think this is okay. Yeah, I think I have the wrong time. Oh well. And then this is how many blog posts you want to display per page. I only want to display 5 per page. So there you go. These are different categories that you can do. They're kind of like blogs, but not actually. I'll show you those a different day. Feed settings. So this is kind of the same thing. You can limit the feed to the excerpt only. This is a good click. This is a good one to select because you don't want, like, when people are looking at your blogs, they have to scroll through the entire article to go to the next article. It's a lot easier if it's just a little blurb. So let's do that. And those are all good settings to have. Good discussion. All right, this is a good one too. Attempt to notify any blogs linked from the article. That's fine. Allow link notifications from other blogs. That's fine. Allow people to post comments. That's fine. All right, this is going to be interesting. Comment author. Okay, so this is where you can decide who specifically can comment on your blogs. So I like to pick comment author must fill out name and email because then you don't just get random people commenting. This is kind of restrictive. This is a little restrictive. I don't know. This one you can choose if you want to. It doesn't really matter. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so this is going to be something that you want to look at. So when do you want to be emailed? When someone likes or reblogs or follows? I want to be emailed every time someone posts a comment or a comment is held for moderation. Those are good settings. I might actually not want that, but this is a good one. And the settings are, as you can see, automatically saved most of the time. Before a comment appears, this is important too. So you can either say, I have to approve manually every single comment that comes in, or the comment author has to have a previously approved comment. So I like to pick this one because then I don't have to approve the same person twice. And once I approve them once, I'm usually okay with them posting again. So I always say, if they've been approved once, then they can be, I don't have to approve them again. And because the reason why you have to approve comments is you don't want spammers just randomly commenting on your website. Okay. So yeah, this is a good rule because if it contains links, I would even say 1. Because if it contains links, it's often a spam, which is annoying. So yeah, okay, now go to, save settings. Okay, traffic. This is unimportant. All right. A lot of these are pretty unimportant. You don't need these. All right, so that's pretty much it. There'll be more on settings later after we set up our blog page and our site pages, and that's kind of what we're going to get into next time is building the actual website. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Like, share, comment if you have questions. I feel like I have to say that. But otherwise, have a great day.